everyone. Welcome to the web series on pharmacology. This would be our lecture 1 in this series, and today we will be talking about general principles. So, some of the topics we will cover in this video include prescription writing, toxicity and drug interaction, dose response, mechanism of action, biotransformation, which is, I think, a big one, and it's pretty highly tested on the national boards. So, I'll take a little bit of time on that, and absorption, distribution, and excretion, and how the pharmacokinetics and dynamics play into that. Okay, so let's get started. So before we start to dive in, I want to talk about these two topics, pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics, because pharmacology is made up of these two things. So pharmacodynamics is what the drug does to the body. So the way I remember is pharmacodynamics has a D in it. So the drug, what the drug does to the body, and pharmacokinetics